Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning how to encrypt and decrypt image using Python DES3 algorithm. Here is the Python code for the same. You need to install PyCryptoDOM from your Python terminal. For that you need to use command pip install PyCryptoDOM. Then after you need to import DES3 for encryption and MD5 for key. Then after you need to use while loop for selecting operation, one for encryption and two for the decryption. Then you need to take one variable called file path for taking input of the file path and the another variable called key for taking the triple DS key as an input. Take another variable called key hash. In this we will convert our encoded 16-byte ASCII key into hashed key. Then by adjusting key parity of the key hash, we will get our final triple DS key. Store the triple DS key in another variable. Take another variable called cipher with integration of triple DS key, mod EAX for confidentiality and authentication, and nonce for generating random or pseudorandom number which is used for authentication protocol. Then we will open and read the file as input file and store the values in another variable called file bytes. By using if-else condition, here we are assigning the operations, one for the encryptions, else decryptions. After that we will store the values in another variable called new file bytes. Then at the end of the code we will open the existing file path in write mode as output file and write the new file bytes data in the same. Here our code is completed. You can find the code in the description below. Here is the demo for image encryption and decryption by the shown code. Here you can see that our image is absolutely fine and opening well. By using the following code, we will run the code. By entering the one, we will choose encryption operation and input the file path for our image. Then we will input our triple DS key for encrypting our image. Then our operation is done. Now you can see our image is encrypted. Now we need to decrypt the image. For that we need to run the code again and then choose 2 for the decryption operation. Then we need to enter the file path of encrypted image and the triple DS key which we had used for the encrypting image. By entering this, our operation is done. Now you can see that our image is decrypted. This is how you can encrypt and decrypt image using Python DES3 algorithm. Thank you for watching.